What if the world's largest desert could one day feed millions? Sound impossible, right? But deep in the heart of the Sahara, something extraordinary is unfolding. Once lifeless dunes are beginning to stir with signs of life, and behind this quiet transformation lies a story of hope, resilience, and remarkable human effort. In 2007, the African Union launched an ambitious project called the Great Green Wall (GGW), aimed at restoring the Sahara and Sahel regions of Africa. The goal of the initiative was to combat desertification by planting a wall of trees across the continent, creating a green barrier that would prevent the desert from advancing further into arable land. The target is to restore 100 million hectares of land by 2030, a goal that requires monumental efforts and a significant investment of resources. The Great Green Wall project stretches across 11 African countries, from Senegal in the west to Djibouti in the east. So far, 30 million hectares have been restored, and the project is beginning to show promising results. Local communities are benefiting from the increased vegetation, which helps retain moisture in the soil, support biodiversity, and provide resources for agricultural production. The initiative is a vital tool in the fight against climate change. As the desert expands, it threatens to undermine the livelihoods of millions who depend on farming and herding in the Sahel. By planting trees and restoring vegetation, the Great Green Wall aims to improve soil fertility, combat soil erosion, and create a more sustainable agricultural environment. In addition to environmental benefits, the Great Green Wall also has significant social and economic impacts. It helps reduce poverty by creating jobs in agriculture and forestry, which can improve the livelihoods of thousands of people. The initiative also provides a source of income through the sale of timber, fruits, and other forest products, creating new opportunities for local economies. While large-scale initiatives like the Great Green Wall are making a significant impact, the transformation of Sahara also involves smaller-scale, community-driven efforts. Farmers in countries like Niger have been using traditional farming methods to combat desertification and restore arid land. Two such techniques, half moons and zai pits, have proven to be effective in increasing soil fertility and water retention. Half moons are crescent-shaped pits dug into the ground to capture rainwater. These pits are strategically placed along the contours of the land, and they collect water from rainfall, preventing runoff and allowing it to slowly seep into the soil. Over time, this technique helps to rehydrate the land and improve its fertility. Zai pits, on the other hand, are small holes that are filled with organic materials such as compost, manure, and plant debris. These pits attract termites, which help aerate the soil and break down organic matter, enriching the soil with nutrients. This technique is particularly useful in areas where water is scarce, as the pits retain moisture and support the growth of crops, such as millet, sorghum, and maize. Both of these methods have shown great promise in reversing desertification and increasing crop yields, especially in the Sahel region. They highlight the power of blending traditional knowledge with modern agricultural practices to restore the land. In Egypt, the Sahara's transformation is being further advanced by modern irrigation techniques. The Shark El Owainet project in Egypt's western desert uses advanced technology to create circular farms that stand out against the desert landscape. Using a technique called center pivot irrigation, water is drawn from the Nubian sandstone aquifer and distributed in large, circular patterns, creating lush green crop circles that are visible from space. The project is one of the largest in Egypt's agricultural sector, with crops such as wheat, corn, and potatoes being cultivated on land that was once barren. The success of the Shark El Owainet project highlights the potential of modern technology in transforming arid regions into productive farmlands. However, the reliance on fossil water from a Nubian aquifer is a cause for concern, as this water source is finite and non-renewable, with slow rates of recharge. While the project has increased food production in Egypt, questions remain about its long-term sustainability. The country must continue to explore alternative water sources and develop more efficient irrigation systems to ensure that the benefits of this transformation can last for generations.
Not all projects in the Sahara's transformation rely solely on advanced technology and large-scale irrigation. In Egypt, a remarkable project near the city of Ismailia is demonstrating how wastewater can be used to create lush forests in the desert. The Serapeum forest covers 500 acres, and is irrigated with treated wastewater from the nearby city. The forest is home to various tree species, including teak, eucalyptus, and mahogany, which thrive in the arid desert environment. The success of the Serapeum forest has led to plans for expanding similar projects across Egypt, with the potential to green over 1.6 million acres of desert land. This project not only helps combat desertification, but also provides economic opportunities through timber production, job creation, and environmental restoration. The use of wastewater for irrigation addresses the water scarcity issue in desert regions, making it a sustainable solution for greening the land. Additionally, the project reduces the need for freshwater resources, which are limited in many parts of Egypt. Despite the impressive progress made in transforming parts of the Sahara Desert into farmland, the journey is far from easy. There are several challenges that need to be addressed to ensure the sustainability and success of these projects. One of the most significant challenges faced by the transformation of the Sahara Desert is securing adequate funding. Large-scale initiatives like the Great Green Wall require billions of dollars to achieve their ambitious goals, and many smaller projects in the Sahara struggle to gather the financial resources needed for expansion. While some governments have committed funding, the scale of the task often exceeds national budgets, requiring substantial international cooperation and private investment. Global organizations, environmental foundations, and foreign governments must play a crucial role in providing financial backing. Without continued investment, progress could slow down, and many local projects may not reach their full potential. Therefore, sustained financial support is key to the long-term success of these initiatives. Another challenge is the management of water resources, which is critical for agriculture in the desert. Many of the projects in the Sahara rely heavily on groundwater sources, particularly the Nubian sandstone aquifer. Unfortunately, this aquifer is a non-renewable resource, and over-reliance on it could lead to severe water shortages in the future. To ensure the sustainability of these agricultural projects, more sustainable water management techniques need to be implemented. Solutions such as solar-powered desalination plants, rainwater harvesting, and improved irrigation practices offer promising alternatives to reduce dependence on fossil water. These technologies can help balance the need for water with the preservation of vital resources, ensuring long-term water security for desert farming. Lastly, the coordination of efforts across the countries in the Sahara region presents a major challenge. Each country has its unique political, economic, and environmental circumstances, which can complicate collaborative efforts. Political instability, differing priorities, and economic limitations can create barriers to effective cooperation. To overcome this, strong governance, policies that prioritize sustainable development, and active local participation are essential. Effective coordination will allow countries to share resources, knowledge, and strategies, accelerating the transformation of the Sahara into a productive and sustainable region. As we've seen, the transformation of the Sahara Desert into a thriving farmland oasis is not just a dream, it's becoming a reality. With innovative projects like the Great Green Wall, groundbreaking agricultural techniques, and sustainable water management strategies, the Sahara is slowly but surely turning into a green hub of opportunity. However, challenges like securing funding, managing water resources, and ensuring effective cooperation between countries remain. But with continued investment, global collaboration, and local dedication, these obstacles can be overcome. The efforts to make the Sahara bloom once again are a testament to the power of human resilience and ingenuity. As the region faces the future, there's hope that the Sahara will not only be a symbol of struggle, but also a beacon of progress and sustainability for generations to come. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the heart of the desert. If you found this video inspiring, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more stories. Let's think, discover, and grow together as we continue to explore the amazing potential of our world.